Hey everyone, welcome to this complete Mailchimp AI automation masterclass. I'm David, and over the past 5 years, I've helped over 200 businesses automate their email marketing to generate consistent revenue while they sleep. In this series, I'm going to show you exactly how I set up Mailchimp AI automation for my clients, the same system that's generated millions in sales. We're going from absolute zero to a fully automated email machine. Let's dive in. Before we jump into the setup, let me tell you why this matters. Traditional email marketing, you're manually sending emails, guessing what your audience wants, and working around the clock. That's exhausting. With Mailchimp's AI automation, you're going to send the right message to the right person at the perfect time. Let AI predict customer behavior and optimize send times. Scale your business without scaling your workload. Turn one-time buyers into repeat customers automatically. I've seen businesses double their email revenue in 90 days just by implementing what I'm about to show you. So, are you ready? Let's get started. First things first, creating your Mailchimp account. Step 1, go to Mailchimp.com and click Sign Up Free in the top right corner. Step 2, enter your email address. I recommend using your business email, not a personal one. This builds trust with your subscribers. Step 3, create a strong password. Don't use password 123. Be smarter than that. Step 4, fill in your username. This will be part of your Mailchimp URL, so keep it professional. Now, Mailchimp will ask you a few questions. Question 1, do you have a list of email subscribers? Be honest here. If you're starting from scratch, select No, I'm just getting started. Question 2, what's your primary goal? For automation, select Sell More Stuff or Nurture My Audience. This helps Mailchimp customize your dashboard. Step 5, verify your email. Check your inbox, click the verification link, and you're in. Use a business domain email from the start. It significantly improves your deliverability rates. Now we're in the dashboard. Let's set up your audience properly. This is critical for automation success. Click on Audience in the top menu, then Audience Dashboard. Step 1, Audience Settings. Click Settings, then Audience Name and Defaults. Audience Name. Give it a clear name like Main Email List or Newsletter Subscribers. Default From Name. Use your business name or your personal name if you're a personal brand. Default From Email. This should be a monitored inbox like hello@yourbusiness.com or support@yourbusiness.com. Never use no reply at. It kills engagement. Step 2, enable double opt-in. This is huge for deliverability. Go to Form Settings and enable double opt-in. Yes, you'll get fewer subscribers initially, but they'll be higher quality and you'll avoid spam complaints. Step 3, Compliance Settings. Under Settings, go to Required Email Footer Content. Add your physical business address, required by law. Customize your unsubscribe messaging. Make it friendly, not corporate. Step 4, add sign-up form fields. Click Settings, then Audience Fields and Merge Tags. Add these essential fields. First name for personalization, last name, birthday, optional but great for automation, purchase history. We'll use this later. This is the step most people skip, and it destroys their email deliverability. Don't skip this. Why authenticate your domain? Without authentication, your emails look suspicious to email providers. With it, you're verified and trusted. Step 1, go to Settings, then Verify Domains. Step 2, click Verify a Domain. Step 3, enter your domain name, yourbusiness.com. Step 4, Mailchimp will give you DNS records to add. Now this next part depends on your hosting provider. Log into your domain host, GoDaddy, Namecheap, or Bluehost, find the DNS settings, and add the CNAME records Mailchimp provides. All right, in this video, we've created your Mailchimp account, set up your audience properly, configured compliance settings, authenticated your domain for maximum deliverability. You've just built the foundation for a $1 million email automation system. In the next video, we're going to set up your first AI-powered automation, a welcome series that converts subscribers into customers automatically. If you found this helpful, drop a comment below letting me know what type of business you're running.